Welcome to this tutorial on merging video and text in PowerPoint. In this guide, you will learn how to create a dynamic slide that combines video background footage with overlaying text. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is running, locate and open your existing presentation where you want to create this effect. After your presentation is open, make your way to the Insert tab available in the menu at the top of the PowerPoint window. This tab houses various multimedia options, and in this case, you will focus on inserting a video. Click on the video option, and from the drop-down choices, select the option labeled Stock Videos. This step allows you to tap into a repository of pre-selected video footage that can enhance your slide. With stock videos selected, browse through the available video footage until you find one that suits your needs. Once the ideal clip is identified, click on Insert to add the video to your slide. It is important to note that after clicking Insert, you should be patient and allow time for the download to complete. Depending on factors outside your control, such as your internet connection or file size, this process may take a little while. When the video has finished downloading and appears in your slide, it is time to add your text. Navigate to the text box tool on the Home tab and click on it. Then click anywhere on your slide where you prefer to have the text. Start typing the message you wish to overlay on the video. This text will serve as both the focal point as well as the creative illustration when merged with the video content. Once you have your video and text in place, adjust their layering to ensure the video displays properly with the text visible in front. To achieve this, click on the video and use a right-click action on it. In the context menu that appears, choose the option that sends the video to the front. This simple step guarantees that the text remains on top and will be acknowledged as the primary element while retaining its connection with the video behind. Now it is time to enable a special feature that will merge your text with the video. To do this, access the File tab and select Options typically found near the bottom of the menu. A new dialog box opens presenting different customization possibilities for PowerPoint. Choose the Quick Access Toolbar option from the menu. Inside the Quick Access Toolbar settings, click on the drop-down menu and switch the listing to show all commands. This comprehensive view will allow you to scroll through the entire list and locate the Merge Shape function. When you find the Merge Shape command within the list, click on Add so that it becomes part of your Quick Access Toolbar for easier access in future edits. Confirm this change by clicking OK. With the Merge Shape tool now readily available, return to your slide and select both the video and the text by using the keyboard combination Ctrl+A. With both elements selected, look towards the top of your PowerPoint window where the Merge Shapes option now resides and click it. From the subsequent list of Merge Shape options, choose the Intersect option. This selection creates a merged shape effect where the overlapping section of the text becomes filled with the video. The result is a uniquely designed slide where the text pattern is animated with the video playback, leading to an immersive and visually striking combination. This method not only enhances the aesthetic of your slides, but also boosts the presentation's ability to engage viewers through innovative multimedia presentations. Enjoy customizing your PowerPoint slides with this technique and explore additional creative features to make your content more interactive and memorable.